if you are a candidate who has been taking filler for a period of time now and you have started observing puffiness around the face, especially around the eyes and around the cheek areas, now this is the right time that you should take a break from fillers. Because hyaluronic acid based fillers especially have the tendency to absorb water over a period of time, leading to puffiness on your face if you are having fillers over a period of years now. Other option for such candidates that switch over to non-hyaluronic acid based fillers such as Sculptra and Radiance, which are excellent fillers and do not absorb water. Also give a break, start dissolving these fillers so that the lymphatic drainage comes into play and that puffiness can be resolved. And another thing has to be noted and kept in mind that when you're doing fillers, always along with fillers go for skin tightening along with it. Skin tightening can be done by number of methods such as radio frequency, or you can go with thread lifting, because tightening and skin sagging can only be rectified with the help of threads and not with fillers. So have to have a parallel and equilibrium between the both to achieve a full facelift along with wherever volume loss filler should be given.